Assalamu alaikum. Here again we are with lecture 2, in which we are going to study the brief history about Ziaul Haq regime, enforcement of Islamic law, which is generally known as Islamization, then Pakistan as a nuclear power, and then Musharraf regime, and what were the measures taken in the time period of Musharraf to make the country prosper. That includes some of the legislative measures, moderate policies, and again privatization. Let's start with the Ziaul Haq regime. Ziaul Haq has thrown the government of Zulfikar Ali Bhutto in 1977 and suspended the constitution of 1973 and have given the choice to the people of Pakistan to have referendum according to which they want the privation of Islamic law in Pakistan or not. And as a result, he declared himself the president as well as the chief of army staff of Pakistan. He continued his power from 1977 till the air crash in which he died in 1988. During this time period, many of the Islamic laws were enforced, including Zakat and Ushur, Wafaki Muhtasibs, and many other Islamic laws given in detail in your book. Then, after the fall of Zulfikar Ali Bhutto, there comes the government of Benazir Bhutto, and the era of 1990s gets started, where there is the alternate shifting of the power between Benazir Bhutto and Nawaz Sharif. In the party terms, we can say the alternative shifting between Pakistan People's Party and Pakistan Muslim League. Then at the end of the 1990s era, Pakistan has announced his nuclear testing in 1998, thus declared himself the nuclear power. This was the time period of Nawaz Sharif. As Pakistan became a nuclear power, its position and importance has been increased in the world. Then, after that, in 1999, a major shift took place when Musharraf, the chief of army staff at that time, has overthrown the government of Nawaz Sharif and became the chief administrative of the country. For remaining in the power, he has given many of the legislative measures, including legal framework order and local government ordinance. While the number of seats in Senate and National Assemblies were revised in the time period of Musharraf as well. Due to Musharraf's moderate policy, we were able to regain the moderation in the society, and after that, the important step taken by him as the economic reform was again privatization. Privatization was done in the time period of Ayub Khan as well in 1960, and we know that how the GDP increased at that time. Then privatization in the time period of Musharraf has helped about 10% of the people to increase the mode of living, and they rise above the poverty line. This was all about the revision of Unit 1, and there will be the test conducted after you will revised in next week.